Hey friends, so today I am showing you how I retwist my natural goddess locks. So I'm going to show you how my hair is freshly washed first. I freshly wash my hair, and then I'm going to show you guys the products and tools that I use to be able to achieve this style. It will be listed in the description box below. But while you're watching, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button right now and hit the bell as well so that you can be notified when I drop a new video. So as you can see, I am spritzing my hair down with water. I'm spritzing it with water because it's going to hydrate the hair. A lot of people think that when you go straight in with oil, it's hydrating the hair, but oil just seals the hair. So if your hair is dry, it's sealing in dry hair. So after I've hydrated the hair, I went in with my oil. And then after I go in with my oil, I'm going to go in with my leave-in conditioner by Shea Moisture. And that is what you call the lock method, liquid, oil, cream. Or you can switch it up and do liquid, cream, oil. As you can see, I am rubbing all the product through my hair, making sure it's saturated evenly. And this is what my hair looks like once all of the product is in. Alright, so I know it just looks like I have curls. It doesn't look like my hair is locked. I know you're wondering, like, girl, where are your locks at? I thought we was retwisting locks. But this is what goddess locks looks like when you first start them. So when they grow, you'll be able to retwist it. And when you retwist it, it'll look more like locks. As you can see, I'm parting my hair down the middle. I do that because I want to be able to wear my hair in the middle part if I choose to, and it'll still look even. Now, I can wear it on any side, but like I said, I want to have versatility when wearing my locks, especially if they're going to be in my hair permanently. So right now, I'm just putting the lock gel on the parts that I've created because it defines the parts and it allows me to see exactly where I parted. And that way I can have a really, really crisp middle part. Alright, so the next thing you want to do when you're retwisting your locks is create a section of your lock, part it, or you can use a comb. If you want a more defined part, then use a comb. If you don't really care, use your finger. The next thing I like to do is take my lock gel and place it over top of the part because it makes it look very much more defined. It looks neater and it looks shinier. After I've twisted it a little bit, after I've gained some control, I like to go in with a palm roll because it'll lock that twist that I already created. Now with natural goddess locks, you don't want to twist it all the way to the end. As you can see, I'm not going all the way to the end because if you twist all the way to the end, then it won't be a goddess locks. You won't have curls at the end. So when I first started doing locks, I used to just clip the roots of the lock. And I was wondering why it kept unraveling, why it kept shrinking back up so fast. And then I discovered, you have to use multiple clips in order for it to lay flat and neat. So again, you're going to section your hair. And when I retwist my hair, I like to twist away from my face. So on this side, I'm going backwards, away from my face. And I'm going to do that with every single lock. And again, I'm going to start twisting from the roots all the way down to about where I want the curls to start showing. And then I palm roll it just to seal that in. And then I'm going to clip it. Well, I'm going to add it to the clips that's already there. And with this technique of clipping and pinning your locks, it'll save you some time because you can just add it to the clips that's already there. And then you won't have to use as many clips in your hair. Now, since you get the gist of what I've been doing, I want you to continue watching me so that you can get a better understanding of how I'm retwisting my goddess locks. Remember, do not retwist all the way at the end and clip it as you go so they can stay neat. If you have to pause the video or take a screenshot just so you can get a better understanding and a better view of what I'm doing, then you have my permission. If I can get 10 people to screenshot a clip from this video and tag me on Instagram at Alexia Tracy, then I'll enter you into my next giveaway. When I'm retwisting the front of my hair, I always leave out hair in the front just so I'm not pulling my edges out. And plus, I like to slay the front of my edges just so it can give me a little razzle dazzle. Now remember, when you are retwisting the front of your hair, always go backwards, always go the opposite way. And voila, this is my hair retwisted. I'm about to go underneath the dryer. As you can see, I left the ends of my hair out. If you want to see part 2 of how I style the ends of my natural goddess locks, subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell at the top so that you can always be notified. Mwah!